StreamLine Marketing Pro, we're going to start on your dashboard page, which is essentially your login page. Then go over to the left-hand side menu and go down to the Marketing tab. This is going to take you where you can see all of your social media, you can connect all of your accounts, you can create a new post, you can schedule out posts. If you scroll down, you can even look at your drafts. If you have to get approval for a post, you can find them right here. This is a great resource to see all of your content in one spot. We're going to go back up to the new post tab over here in the top right-hand corner. You can create a new post, upload from CSV, or you can use a social planner template. Now, I will say these are not the templates we've created for our clients. These are AI generated templates that are a little bit more generic, but they might be great for a new listing or promoting an event. I would definitely still take a look at these. Just know that these are not the templates that we've created for our clients. You can also have AI create you content. It can do photos, it can write you a paragraph for your content. Definitely a great tool to take a look at. You can also post RSS and post reviews. We're going to go to new post. First thing it's going to ask you to do is decide which social account you want to post to. For this example, we're going to do Facebook and Instagram. When you choose more than one platform, it's going to ask you to, if you want to customize for each channel. One example you might want to do this is, say, on Instagram, you want to add hashtags, but on Facebook, you don't want to. So you can make your body paragraph different for each post. When you're creating your content, you can make the text bold or italicized. You can add emojis. You can add photos. You can have AI create you something, or if you have something you want to upload into the system, you can do that as well. So the media library is where it's going to hold all of the content that you've added to our system, whether that's from your website or other marketing or your social media. This is where you're going to be able to find every visual media that you have uploaded into our system. So let's go in and grab one for this example. So 3 tips before buying a home. We're going to add in the body paragraph just a few words. Like I said, you can go in and bold, italicize. If you want to add a video instead, it's going to take you to that same media library where you would upload that video. You can add hashtags and you can save hashtags. So if there's a hashtag you use regularly, you can save it in the system so it's easy for you to pull for each post. You can also tag your posts. Now, I won't go too in depth into this because it'll make the video way too long, but definitely go back and take a look at what there is that you can tag to this post. You can also add a location. So if there's a certain market that you're trying to grow in, for example, I'm in San Antonio, Texas. So if I'm trying to reach more people in my area, I might tag my location and hopefully the algorithm will pick that up and send it to more people in my city. You can also have AI generate your body paragraph if you don't want to type something out, or maybe have it generate and then you go back in and just kind of change it up a little bit. So that's a great tool to utilize. And once you have your post ready to go, you can go down here at the bottom and either save for later and it'll take you to your drafts, which is on that previous page I showed you. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can click on drafts and it'll bring up all of your draft posts for whenever you're ready to post them. You can also schedule out your post if it's done and you don't need to put it into drafts. You can post now or schedule for later. So that could be tomorrow or next day. You can also send posts for approval. So, for example, if you're on a team and your team lead is in the system as well, you can send it for their approval before it goes out. And then you can schedule reoccurring posts. So maybe this is an event that you have in the next couple weeks. So every few days, you want the post to go out to make sure that you're getting the word out there. So you can create recurring posts. So this is just an overview of what you can do within our system. If you have questions, let me know, but definitely make sure you're watching our other videos to learn about everything we offer in StreamLine Marketing Pro.